Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. We're going old school today here on my iPhone when I first started this cleaning channel right here. We just sold our house and they want to buy this sectional right here and I want to make it look as nice as possible. Now this is just 3 years old here. You all, my friend, if you do not have one of these, you need one of these in your cleaning arsenal. These are not just for sweaters. These are for pillows and furniture, and what's really satisfying is just pop a battery in there and then suck up all the pills to make everything look like new. Let me show you here, and let me show you how much I've accumulated from this couch right here. We were not planning on selling this furniture, but they went through the house and they liked a bunch of stuff that we had, and said, name your price. And so there we go. We'll have a lot less to move when we go across state on our moving adventure. But you can get all on the side, especially on your couch here. A lot of times you get a lot of pills in here. You can tell it's working because it sounds like a Pac-Man, like eating it up like that. And like, look up here. You see up here? You can get all of this. Gone, my friend. You make it look like brand new. This pillow right here needs some love. All right, let's go ahead. Open this up here, and I'm just going to turn this off, and then you pop this open, and then you can see all the garbage that you've collected in your, let's see if I can do this one-handed. Ooh, I might need two. Yes, I needed two hands, but open this up. Look at all this. Look at this, right here, inside on this couch, and I just made one lap. Very satisfying, and your couches will look like brand spanking new, my friend. All right, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Click this video on screen now, which are some amazing shaving cream hacks. Sign up for the newsletter, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.